going on, YouTubers? It's been a while. I haven't posted a video. As you can see, I'm doing a little maintenance on the chain binders and the chains. I carry 8 of these. I already got these done. So what I'm gonna do, I got 2 more left. I'm gonna grab one of them. I'm gonna record it, show you guys how I do it. This is the way I normally do it. So if it works for you guys, cool. But if not, you could do it your own way. But like you can see, I still got the same trailer, same truck. The only difference, I'm doing hazmat, off and on, hit and run, nothing crazy, general freight. Pretty soon I'm gonna have this deck replaced, because I can see it's getting, it's okay right now, but it's gonna get a little bit worse. So this trailer is a 2018 and it's still kicking ass. So, but yeah, let me get to this and I'll show you step by step how I maintenance my chain binders and the chain. And this is the products that I use. I use 1 liter grease, 3-in-1 oil, and WD-40. I use this too. All right, let's get to it. All right. It's the binder here. See it? Let's see what we got. Right. First things first. All right, first things first. We're gonna clean up this little groove. Wire brush. Get all that rust, all that little dust in there. When you buy these brand new, they come with grease. They already come greased up good. I had these for, wow, 7 years, 8 years. I mean, I had no problem with these. Not at all. Because I maintain them, Alright, so this is the way I do it. So now, grab some white linium grease, twist it around. You don't have to put a whole lot, nothing go crazy. Some people use different products. They normally put WD-40 on the whole thing. I don't. I put a little bit here too. That's it. Alright. And I grab this 3-in-1. I put it right here, right in between the binder and the root teeth right here. I put a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit there. Same thing. So I don't have to put a whole lot. Right there. So I put some like right here and right here in this groove and around here on both sides. Yep. Nothing crazy, people. Nothing crazy. Now, good. What I do next, after I cleaned it up with the wire brush, put some white linen grease, put the 3-1. I'll show you on the video. What I do is I just close it down. Make sure you don't hit your face. Watch out you don't hit your face when you do it. While you close it too, you could come here, you could put it there, and you can twist it around. Be careful. That's the way I do it. And what I do, I grab a rag, right, to go to 40. Wipe it down. Nothing crazy, right? Just wiping it down. Trying to get a little bit of dust out, dirt. And it helps lubricating that little bit. This way to be away from dust and from rust. I'll tell you right now, it's hot. Pretty hot. I prefer it to be hot as raining. Like that. The side. And this is how it came off. See? It's nice. Ready to roll, man. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we got this one. Look at this one. Yep. Frosted. Yep. So I'm gonna clean this one up. Then I'll show you how to do a change. And that's it. All right. Now I'm gonna show you how I do the change. This is a 20 footer, 20 feet, grade 70, 3/8. So I'm gonna show you how I clean it up real quick just to wipe it down. You don't have to, but it doesn't hurt to do it. Show you real quick. If you can see, I already got them all done. All 8, they're ready to go. And if you can see, I already closed them all. I tied them all down, both sides. So any water or dust goes inside the groove and, and keep collecting dust and all kind of stuff. But yeah, this is done. I got a couple more chains, so let's get this stuff done. All right. So what I do, I grab the rag, the $1.40, grab the hook, put it right here, pipe stake, lift it up like this, and wrap it down all the way down. It's a pain in the ass, be a pain in the ass, but just a quick little demonstration. Wrap it down. You don't have to do it, I do it. You don't have to. Oh, make sure you check your collar pins and all that. Make sure you don't see any cracks. Nothing on the chain, because that would be a violation by DOT. You do the same thing with this one. Right here. Hook it. Ready to roll, baby. clean, bro. It don't have to be perfect, but this is how I do it. I just wipe the dust out and put a little bit extra WD-40. It gives a little bit of lubricant, you know, a little protection for the rust, but it's better than not doing it, I would say. I mean, you know, little tip, nothing crazy. That's it. That's all I got. I got all those. Look like it's gonna rain a little bit. But see you guys on the next video. And have a blessed Labor Day weekend. Have a blessed day. And be safe out there on the road. See you on the next time. Later.